Good morning, children. Today, we are going to learn a new interesting lesson. In this lesson, you are going to learn the importance of water. Okay, it is very precious. Water is very precious. So very important. చాలా విలువైనది. నీళ్ళు అనేవి చాలా విలువైనవి. We feel that gold, diamonds and all that are very precious. But water is more precious than all those. Understand? We can survive without gold or diamonds, all other precious metals. But can we survive without water? No, we cannot survive. బంగారము, వజ్రాలు, వైడూర్యాలు లేకుండా మనం బ్రతకవచ్చు, కానీ నీళ్లు లేకుండా బ్రతకగలమా? Which is more precious, whether water or the other metals? Water is more precious. Yes, children, we all should try to save the water. We should not waste the water. You say, children? So your parents may tell you, sometimes they tell you that don't waste the water. They say there is a shortage of water. If we don't get water one day, then we feel so much difficult. Is it? In a day, if we don't get the water, if the water is not supplied, how do we feel? We feel so much difficult. Is it? So that is the reason we should try to save the water as much as possible. Okay? Here you have given some pictures. You see that? Observe that? Pictures. So where do we get water from? Take the correct picture. So here you have given some pictures. From that, where do we get water? So it is a river, building, pond. Then this is lake, hills, clouds. Can you say from where do we get the water? So we get the water from the river. Okay, like that you take. Then do we get the water from the building? No, we get the water from the pond. Pond means cheru. Okay, so we get the water from the lake, sarasu. Okay, hills, kodal nunchi vastaya water? No, we get the water from the clouds. Yes. Okay, shall we move to the lesson? Yes. So in this lesson is like conversation between three children. Okay. So here you can find three children: Vipul, Navya, and Abhi. Okay. When Vipul and Navya were playing with water in the garden, Abhi observed that and he came to them and he explained them what his teacher told in the class about the importance of the water. Okay, children? Now we see. Vipul and Navya were playing with water in the garden. Where they are playing with the water? They were playing in the garden. What a fun it was. Abhi, a 6-year-old boy, was watching them. So, who was that boy watching them? Abhi. How many years old? Is just like you, 6 years old. ఓకే, మీలాగా 6 సంవత్సరాల అబ్బాయి అతను కూడా. Then Abhi came to them. So he is asking Vipul and Navya, what are you doing? Do you know? Do you know that every drop of water is important for us? Okay, when these two were playing in the garden with water, Abhi observed them and came to them and he was asking, అడుగుతున్నాడు వాళ్ళ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి, మీరేం చేస్తున్నారు? వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్? Do you know that every drop of water is important for us? మీకు తెలుసా ప్రతి నీటి చుక్క కూడా చాలా ముఖ్యమని, మనకి ముఖ్యమని మీకు తెలుసా అని వాళ్ళని అడుగుతున్నాడు. Do you know that? You also waste so much water, is it? You should not waste the water. Today, our teacher told us that we must save water. Okay, what Abhi is saying to his friends? Today, my teacher told us that we must save our water. Okay, ఇవాళ మన టీచర్ ఏం చెప్పింది? నీళ్ళని సేవ్ చేయమని చెప్పిందని. ఎవరితో చెప్తున్నాడు? Abhi is saying to Navya and Vipul. But we are just having fun. Okay, ఏమంటున్నాడు? సో విపుల్ ఏమంటున్నాడు? కానీ మేము వేస్ట్ చేయట్లేదు, జస్ట్ వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఫన్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. అభి ఫన్, అభి వాట్ ఈస్ హి డూయింగ్? వాట్ ఈస్ హి సేయింగ్? ఫన్. You are wasting so much water. Now the plant may die. It is muddy all around. Okay, what Abhi is saying? Is it fun? Fun? You are wasting so much water. See, all the place has become muddy. So all the plants will get die. Is it fun? Abhi is saying like that. Then Navya, oh, that means all these beautiful flowers will die. Abhi said, all the plants will get die. When he said like that, then Navya is saying, oh, that means all these beautiful flowers will die. అంటే చెట్లు చనిపోతాయేంటి? పూలన్నీ కూడా చనిపోతాయి కదా. She started crying because she loved flowers. ఎప్పుడైతే అభి ఆ విధంగా అన్నాడో ఈమె నవ్య ఏడవడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. ఎందుకు? ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఫ్లవర్స్ ఉండవు. No flowers means no butterflies. Oh no, I will never waste water again. Okay, do you understand? So no flowers, no butterflies. Is it? No flowers, no butterflies. So then Navya said, I will never waste water again. నేను మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు కూడా నీళ్ళని వృధా చేయనని చెప్తుంది. Vipul, yes, you are right. I am really very sorry. We need water for drinking, washing, bathing and other important works. I did not think about this before. Thank you for telling us all this, Abhi. What else have your teacher told you? So Vipul is saying, yes, you are right. Abhi, you are right. I am very sorry. I am really very sorry. So we need water. We need water for what? We need water for drinking, washing, bathing and for other important works. I did not think about this before. వీటన్నిటి గురించి నేను ఇంతకుముందు ఎప్పుడు ఆలోచించలేదు. Thank you, thank you for telling us all this, Abhi. ఇవన్నీ చెప్పినందుకు నీకు చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఎవరు? విపుల్. ఎవరు చెప్పాడు? అభికి. వాట్ ఎల్స్ హ్యావ్ యువర్ టీచర్ టోల్డ్ యూ? ఇంకా మీ టీచర్ ఏం చెప్పింది మీకు? Our teacher said, do not waste water, paper and electricity. We must not litter the floor. So he's saying, Abhi is saying what his teacher told him. Okay, don't waste water, don't waste paper and electricity. We must not litter the floor. Floor anta kuda muriki cheyoddu. Vipul, you mean that we should throw all the waste only in the dustbin. What do we do? Whenever we have the waste, we throw wherever we want. Is it? So here, Vipul came to know, he is saying that when Abhi said we must not litter the floor, then Abhi is saying, you mean that we should throw all the waste only in the dustbin, where we have to keep all the waste in the dustbin. We should not litter our surroundings. Okay, మన చుట్టుపక్కల పరిసరాలు మనం ఏం చేయవద్దు? ఖరాబ్ చేయవద్దు లేదా మురికి చేయవద్దు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. నవ్య, yes, that is right. I am so glad you have come to the garden, Abhi. నువ్వు ఈ గార్డెన్ కి వచ్చినందుకు నేను చాలా సంతోషపడుతున్నాను అని ఏవో చెప్పింది? నవ్య అభితో చెప్తుంది అనమాట. విల్ యూ బి అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్? విల్ యూ బి అవర్ ఫ్రెండ్? నువ్వు మా స్నేహితుడిగా ఉంటావా? అభి, yes of course, let us go and play in the park. Okay children, have you understand this? Okay, now we see take the correct answers. Abhi was told to save water by. Abhi was told to save water by. Abhi ki evaru chepparu? His teacher, his father, his mother, his grandfather. Who said to him? Yes, his teacher. His teacher. Next. Vipul told Abhi that they were just having fun, saving water, watering plants, drinking water. ఏం చెప్పాడు విపుల్ అభికి? Just they were having fun. Okay, having fun. Next. Why did Navya start crying? నవ్య ఎందుకు ఏడవడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది? అక్కడ పువ్వులు లేవంటే ఏం రావు? బటర్ఫ్లైస్ రావు. అందుకే నవ్య ఏం చేసింది? ఏడవడం స్టార్ట్ చేసింది. అవునా? ఓకే. She thought that all the flowers would die. She felt sad that they had wasted water. Abhi told that he would complain about it. She feared that father would scold her. Scold ante tittadam. But here what is the reason? She thought that all the flowers would die. అన్ని చెట్లు చనిపోతాయి, అన్ని పూలు కూడా చనిపోతాయి. పూలు చనిపోతే ఏం రావు? బటర్ఫ్లైస్ కూడా రావు. Okay children, next we move to the question answers. So answer the following questions. Where were Navya and Vipul playing? Where were they playing? They were playing in the garden. Where were they playing? Yes, you can see the first line itself. Yes. What is the first line? Vipul and Navya were playing in the garden. Okay. Vipul and Navya were playing in the garden. Okay, what is the second question? Who was watching Navya and Vipul? Who was watching while they were playing with the water in the garden? Abhi was watching, is it? What we have to write? Abhi was watching Navya and Vipul. Then mention any 3 uses of water. Yes, mention any 3 uses of water. Already you have seen there. Drinking, washing and bathing. We use water for drinking, washing and bathing. Okay? Next. Where should we throw the waste? Where should we throw the waste? We should throw the waste in the dustbin. Where should we throw the waste? We should throw the waste in the dustbin. Okay, children? So, we'll meet in the next class. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.